Hello? What's your dilemma, Kelly? Who's your Nelly?
You know that sexy postman that works down our street?
Sit there and go.
Yeah. You tell anyone this, and you're dead, okay?
Good morning.
Hello there, Mr. Postman.
What was that? Can you say that again, please?
I've always known I can't talk to guys. I just want to be like to him. Yeah, you go, Darren. You put that mail in the mailbox. But I can't. Am I going to be this way forever? Am I? Tell me.
Hey, bossy.
Like, is it all guys? Can you talk to your dad? Sorry, sis. Do you have a dad? Yeah. Solid. I can talk to some guys normally, but guys I like, it's like my voice turns into whisper mode. And not like sexy whisper. It's more like gossip. Ow! Church whisper. Can you help me?
No worries, sis. I got you.